Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, going to be doing an unboxing and full review of the Soundpeats True Wireless Earbuds V5.0. Soundpeats was nice enough to send these out to me, so shout out to them, guys. Soundpeats makes awesome headphones, and I'm gonna link these down below if you guys want to go purchase these. And after I give you my honest thoughts about them, so I'm just gonna start off with a quick unboxing. Then I'm going to test them out, and then I'm going to let you guys know how they sound and pros and cons for the headphones. So these came in the mail today. They go on Amazon for $39.99, but Soundpeats always does like special offers and stuff. Oh, here it is. They usually have like lightning deals on their headphones, which is really nice, so that's usually a good time to pick them up. But if you guys can't wait, you can go pick them up right now. Okay. So just open up like that. Customer care, satisfy shared experience on Amazon. Yeah, so they're looking for customer feedback. So if you guys get a Soundpeats product, make sure to leave your review on their website. Logo update. Please note the brand logo is being upgraded. The newly produced Soundpeats logo is transferred to the new logo. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's actually a new logo. I like that. Nice job, Soundpeats. Anything else? Charging tips. Okay. Okay, so most of these come with simple packaging, but yeah, ooh, these are nice. I wonder if these come with wireless charging. I'm not sure. I'm gonna test that out though. As you can see here, guys, I don't know if you can see that. It says 650 milliamp hour battery. These do say they have like 20 hours of standby time or something ridiculous like that, but I like this is small. This is nice. My other ones I reviewed recently had a bulky case. This is nice and small, and I like that. Okay, let's see how these open up. Is this magnetic? I'm not. I think this might be. It's closing on its own, which I feel like it is magnetic. So here are the earbuds themselves. I'm going to put these over to the side. See what other accessories we get in here. And what do we got? Most of these come with like the same exact accessories every time, so toss that out of the side. You get some spare ear tips as always. Only 4 of them. Usually they come with 6. And a charging cable, micro USB cable, as usual. All wireless earbuds come with these. So yeah. And let's see what we get under here. So True Capsule. I like their new logo. Let me just get the manual out. If you guys are manual lovers, you can go read this, but all these earbuds do the same thing. They're truly wireless. Here's what comes in it. Let me see. You guys can see this. All this stuff, how to use it, how to charge it, the touch controls, charging case, yeah, stuff like that, pairing, all this stuff, guys. So if you guys want to read the manual, you can do so. Stuff like that. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna test these out, give you the specs and everything, and give you my full thoughts. Okay, guys, so I am back after the unboxing. Gonna be giving you my thoughts. I've been using these for a while now. I've gone to test them out, gone to test basically everything. One thing I didn't test out was that the actual mic quality for phone calls and stuff, so I apologize for that. But they do claim to have a clear mic built in. So I've reviewed a bunch of headphones on this channel, as you guys know. I have several videos reviewing headphones, so I usually know what to look for when it comes to headphones, and especially true wireless ones, such as these. So right off the bat, let's jump into features that this comes with, and let me just give you like some of the specs around these True Capsule Bluetooth 5.0 headphones. So number 1, Bluetooth 5.0 connection is excellent. I've had no issues with these connecting to my phone at all, distance-wise. Absolutely no like interference with the sound quality or anything. I've never had any like pauses in the music or anything when it's trying to connect or something to each earbud. It's been super clear and no issues there. I promise you that. So Bluetooth 5.0 is kind of like a standard these days, so if these don't have it, then that's kind of like a downside. I gotta say that the touch controls on these are actually pretty cool, and I'll go over those with you. right now. I'm just reading off what they claim on their Amazon page. So they have touch controls on them. If you want to pause your track, you can just double tap it. I'll pause and then double tap to play. So that's very straightforward. If you guys want to skip tracks, let's see here. You hold it for 1.5 seconds. If you want to go to the previous track, you hold the left one for 1.5 seconds. So you go like that. If you want to go to the next track, you hold the right one for 1.5 seconds. So you hold that. Very straightforward. Very easy to use touch controls. I like touch controls just because, like, sometimes with these the buttons aren't very clicky for the controls. Like, say, like you really got to push in, it's just digging into your ear. So I don't like that. I love touch controls, just going like that. Works really nicely. They have those on like the new AirPods. I'm pretty sure they got touch controls on there for like Siri and stuff. So yeah, let's talk about just like the feel in the ear. Honestly, amazing. I've had no issues with these when wearing them in the gym and stuff. They stay in really securely, really tight fit, and they don't hurt my ears at all. My other ones that I've been using in the past do hurt my ears after a long use, but these are so lightweight. These are really lightweight, guys, and they just fit in your ear so securely. I can't even tell they're there half the time, which is something I really look for and I appreciate with these. And then let's talk about just like the amount of music you can listen to. I've barely, I don't think I've charged these once, and I'm still using them like every single day. It's just amazing. Like, I don't know how they do it with this charging case. And then, like, they claim 24 hours extended playtime, which is insane. Like, that's a full day of listening to music, and it's true. Like, these can last like a full day. With the battery inside these and in the charging case, like, it lasts so long. Haven't had any issues with these, which I love. I love things with long battery life. Let's talk about the charging case real quick. Charging case, I really like the style here and how they make it really compact with this diagonal design. They're like crisscrossed. Really smart. Easy to see that they're charging. Let me just get that one out. Easy to see that it's charging with the LED light here and here. No issues there. And it also has an LED light right here to notify you how much battery the charging case has. So, case awesome. Much smaller than my other one, which I appreciate. Easy to carry around. It charges via micro USB. And also, I don't know why, but I'm not sure if this comes with wireless charging. I tested it out, and it was like doing weird things with my wireless charger, which makes me feel like it might have it. Someone said in the comments of Amazon that this does come with it, like it's a hidden feature. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like real quick, just because, like, it's kind of weird, and I can't explain it. Okay, guys, so I'm over here with my wireless charger right here. I did a review on this, so go check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. So it has a red LED indicator, usually when it's charging. So let me just place this down. As you can see, it starts flashing, which I have no idea what that means. And I can't tell, it's kind of hard angle, but I can't tell if it's charging or not. Maybe it's on this side. Oh no, it's on this side. I don't know, I can't tell. It's weird. It might be charging, it might not be. You guys let me know in the comments section. Okay, so the last thing I just want to discuss before I talk about sound quality is the pairing mode. Love it. Pairs instantly into your phone. That was an issue with my other ones. I had to sit there and wait. It took forever for the auto pairing to kick in. These ones, literally, you'll have it like this. Like this. Take it out. 1, 2, 3, connects to your phone instantly, just like that. Amazing. And if you guys don't believe me, you can check my phone right here. Let me just put them in. They disconnect once they're in there. So let's take them out. 3, 2, 1. And it's connected just like that. That was so quick. I love auto pairing when it comes to headphones. Just take them out, put them in your ears, and you're all set. Okay, so let's talk about sound quality. Sound quality is a 7 out of 10. It's not like amazing like Bose and Sennheiser quality, but it's a 7 out of 10. Now, if you want me to go into more detail, I'd say Bass is good. Highs are good. Mids are good. All of that is pretty good. It just doesn't blow me out of the water. I have no issues with sound quality. Sounds, I'd say the best way to describe it is like super clear. Music comes out really clear on any track you listen to. I listen to a lot of like hip hop, rap, and rock, so that all comes out super clear. The bass hits. I'd say maybe like the surround sound is slightly lacking, but I honestly don't care. It also has really good noise isolation. And honestly, like, you can't hear anything when you have these in your ears, which is really nice. You don't want to be like hearing other people while listening to music. Kind of like that open back style. I'm not a fan of that. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna give you my final thoughts on these and cut some B-roll of this.
And a hurricane of sights and sounds pinned me down.
They've replaced my old headphones, which is huge. Those ones, the Tozo T10s, I loved those, and I think these are honestly even better just because the ergonomic feel, auto pairing, the sound quality, it's all amazing. I have no complaints. On Amazon, these go for around 33 bucks. You can get them on sale for a lightning deal every once in a while. So I'm going to be leaving the link to these down in the description below if you guys want to go pick them up. I highly suggest you guys go pick them up. I'm going to be leaving my Amazon affiliate link. So if you guys use that link to buy these, that helps out the channel, and I earn a commission off that. Also, if you guys want to buy anything on Amazon, just make sure you guys use my links. And if you want to use my Fortnite Spirit code, Scoot4321, you can use that as well. So, without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check these Soundpeats headphones out. Soundpeats makes excellent quality audio technology, headphones, all that, speakers, all that good stuff. I've been a big fan of their brand for a while. So, guys, click the link in the description to go check out these on Amazon. Also, if you guys want to check out my other headphone reviews, I have those on my channel as well. Got tons of headphone reviews when it comes to Bose, Cohen, Soundpeats, Tozo, you name it, I've reviewed it. Yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications. Go follow me on all my social medias, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.